I started becoming a Chevy owner, I don't know, probably about 7 or 8 years ago. I drove Fords before, but Chevys are a lot smoother riding trucks, by far. I purchased this pickup back in December of 2017. Some of the stuff that I've done to it, obviously had it lifted, big tires, big wheels. It's actually got the Karl Rock edition on it, which they put some badges on that are darker, got a lighted front emblem. Got suspension airbags in the rear end, keep the rear end up if you got a heavy load on it. I have 2 trucks, one lifted and one not. And the lifted one, I always get all the extra toys on it. And so they're always done about the same way, and Karl Accessories always does them for me, and they do a great job. I pretty much had a truck all my life. In college, there was a couple years I didn't, but other than that, always had a truck. You just have to have a truck. This is as clean as it's been probably in a year. This one's been all over a cattle pasture out on the farm. It's got manure underneath here. I pulled trailers with it for bobcat trailers, boat trailers, tractor on a trailer, all kinds of stuff I pull behind this thing. This really gets worked a lot. For me, you sit up a little higher, you got more steel around you if you're ever in an accident or everything. It just seems like there's just more to it. It's amazing how different trucks are now than they were 10 or 15 years ago. The options are just incredible. The insides with the High Country is as nice as you're gonna get on the inside as compared to any car out there. I would say, I've noticed in the last few years especially, you go to the country club and you see more pickups now than you do cars at the country club. What's that tell you? I wouldn't have anything but a Duramax diesel. They've got the power, plus they get the gas mileage. When you're not pulling anything, they get great mileage on the highway. The experiences I've had with Karl are phenomenal. Obviously, half of the people here are my neighbors, which always helps. But at the end of the day, service means everything, and that's what we're looking for. I'm Gary Rubel, and this is my 2018 Silverado HD High Country.